This is Shyam, and we just now had a wonderful one-to-one meeting with Mr. Suresh Kumar Pathak, and it was great knowing you personally as well as financially. So thank you very much for sharing all your details. So I just would like to know your feedback on our meeting, which we are doing since last more than 1 hour. How was your experience, and how this is going to benefit you? Over to you,
Yeah,
Mr.
yeah,
Suresh. Yeah.
yeah. Thanks, Sam. I mean, today only we catch up today after like the meeting, other meeting. So it is great experience for me to get to know exactly like my where is I'm lacking and where exactly the I'm going right and wrong kind of things. You have a good given me a good feedback around it, and the gaps around my term insurance, all those things. It really helps me to understand how it works out going forward, and also the kind of things you are saying that constant generation of money and all those things after retirement, that also is helpful inputs for me because I am from the equity mindset, so I was thinking only from that perspective, so it will help me on that aspect also. And I think I hope it will be a great journey for both of us going forward, your inputs are always great for me.
Yeah, sure. And yeah, it's okay. It's a very wonderful discussion. You already put your all the points very positively in front of me, and it gave me a more inputs and how I can able to access your how can I able to assess your current situation. So it's really a good
Yeah,
thing that and you are already doing very good in your in your investment as far as the equity
yeah,
part is concerned. Little gap is there in terms of life insurance and some guaranteed income. So definitely we'll
yeah,
have a one more meeting today, late night, as discussed, and
yeah,
we'll definitely close the things very, very quickly for you.
yeah,
So thank you
yeah,
very
yeah,
much for your valuable time once again, Suresh, and
yeah.
looking forward to see you again. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Thanks, Shyam.